I always recommend Factor 50 sunscreen following eyelid surgery for protection. And a really common question that follows on from that is how long should I use that sunscreen for? Now, sunscreen or sun protection after eyelid surgery, a good rule of thumb to consider is using Factor 50 for at least 1 year. But let's go into this a bit more. Using Factor 50 sunscreen ensures that the UV rays don't damage your skin, and what you don't want is to have your scars or your incisions to become hyperpigmented or darker due to prolonged sun exposure, because you're going in for eyelid surgery and you're wanting to have the best cosmetic outcome possible, and you don't want those scars to be obvious. So it's really important to consider using Factor sunscreen every day, even if it's cloudy outside, because even when it's cloudy, if you speak to your dermatologist, they'll tell you UV is still present there. Now, you are going for surgery, and if you're going for cosmetic surgery to try and improve your appearance, you might want to consider using Factor 50 sunscreen lifelong, and that is longer than the year. And why? Well, if you're going for a cosmetic procedure to look better, part of it is having good skin as well. And so you want to try and protect your skin to keep it in tip-top shape. And you can do that by applying Factor 50 sunscreen daily to try and reduce damage to the skin and also reduce the incidences of skin cancers, some of which aren't so harmful, some of which are more so, and we see them sometimes in our clinic. And you want to try and keep that risk to a minimum. So make it a habit, apply sunscreen consistently, and this consistency will safeguard your results and help keep your skin looking youthful.